Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to refer a friend in Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.doordash.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Doordash. So simply tap on the hamburger like icon on the left hand side of the corner and simply scroll down to the bottom. Once you are here, you can see the link called Get $1 in Credits. So simply tap on it and you will find your referral code or your referral link in this page. So simply copy your link and send to your friend. So once you do this, you will get discount codes and credits in your account and you can simply refer a friend in Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.